Hi, it's Jimmy and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking up some seriously delicious dishes, and the best part is they're all made with canned beans. That's right, we're talking about budget-friendly, pantry-staple recipes that even the laziest chef can master. We've got 10 epic recipes that will blow your mind and leave your taste buds begging for more. We're talking creamy dips, hearty soups, spicy chilies, and even some sweet treats, all starring the humble canned bean. Get ready to transform your cooking game with these easy, affordable, and insanely delicious recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome food adventures. First up, we're diving headfirst into a flavor explosion with this spicy bean dip. It's so good, you'll want to eat it straight from the bowl. No chips required. Grab your can of black beans, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a teaspoon of cumin, and a tablespoon of hot sauce, because we like it fiery. Toss everything into your blender and blitz it until it's smooth and creamy. Now, here's the pro tip. Before you dig in, give it a quick warm up in the microwave. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Serve it up with a mountain of tortilla chips and get ready to be the MVP of your next party. Next, we're whipping up a comforting bowl of lentil soup that's bursting with flavor and will warm you up from the inside out. Grab your trusty can of lentils, some diced tomatoes, a dash of garlic powder, and a pinch of oregano. Sauté those veggies in a pot, then toss in the lentils and enough broth to cover everything. Let it simmer until the lentils are nice and tender, then grab your immersion blender and give it a whirl. Season it to perfection and get ready to enjoy a soul-satisfying meal that's as delicious as it is easy to make. Don't worry, I haven't lost my mind. We're making brownies, but with a secret ingredient that will blow your mind: black beans. Trust me on this one. Grab your can of black beans, some unsweetened cocoa powder, a handful of chocolate chips, and a touch of sweetness. We like maple syrup. Blend those black beans until they're super smooth, then mix in the rest of the ingredients. Pour that batter into a baking pan and bake until it's set. The result? Fudgy, decadent brownies that are surprisingly healthy and insanely delicious. Chapter 4. Chickpea Tuna Salad, the ultimate plant-based sandwich filler, calling all sandwich lovers. This chickpea tuna salad is about to rock your world. Drain and rinse your can of chickpeas, then grab a fork and mash them up. We're going for a chunky texture, so no need to go overboard. Mix in 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo, a squeeze of half a lemon, a sprinkle of 1 tablespoon of chopped dill, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Spread this deliciousness on your favorite bread. Add some lettuce and tomato, and get ready to enjoy a plant-based twist on a classic that's both satisfying and flavorful. Chapter 5. White Bean Chicken Chili, creamy, dreamy, and oh so easy. Get ready for a flavor-packed chili that's both hearty and healthy. Grab your can of white beans, about 2 cups of cooked chicken, a jar of salsa verde, around 1 cup, and a sprinkle of chili powder, about 1 teaspoon. Brown your chicken in a pot, then toss in the beans, salsa verde, and chili powder. Let it simmer until it's nice and thick, then serve it up with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of cheese. You can thank me later. Chapter 6. Spicy black bean burgers. Fire up the grill. It's time to ditch those boring veggie burgers and fire up the grill for these epic spicy black bean burgers. Throw 2 cups of black beans in a bowl and mash them up with 1 cup of cooked quinoa. Add a handful of chopped cilantro, a teaspoon of cumin, and a generous amount of hot sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Form that mixture into patties and grill them up until they're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Serve them on buns with your favorite toppings and get ready for a flavor explosion in every bite. Ready for a taste of India? This easy chickpea curry is bursting with vibrant flavors and comes together in a flash. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger in a pot. Then toss in your can of chickpeas, a can of diced tomatoes, and a generous spoonful of curry powder. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens, then stir in a can of coconut milk for extra creaminess. Serve it over a bed of fluffy rice and get ready to transport your taste buds straight to Flavor Town. Chapter 8. Creamy white bean pasta, comfort food at its finest. Get ready for a creamy, dreamy pasta dish that's both comforting and delicious. Cook 8 ounces of your favorite pasta according to package directions, then drain it and set it aside. In the same pot, sauté 3 cloves of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add a can of white beans, a splash of 1/2 cup vegetable broth, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens, then stir in your cooked pasta and a handful of 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Serve it up with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and get ready to enjoy a taste of pure comfort food heaven. Chapter 9. Refried Bean Quesadillas. Cheesy, gooey goodness! Get ready for a cheesy, gooey fiesta in your mouth with these irresistible refried bean quesadillas. Grab your tortillas, a can of refried beans, a bag of shredded cheese, and your favorite toppings. Spread a generous layer of refried beans on half of each tortilla, about 1/4 cup per tortilla. Sprinkle on a mountain of cheese, around 1/2 cup per tortilla, and fold them in half. Cook those bad boys on a griddle or skillet until they're golden brown and the cheese is melty and gooey. Serve them up with a dollop of sour cream and a side of salsa for dipping, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Chapter 10. Sweet and spicy roasted chickpeas, the ultimate crunchy snack. Last but not least, we're whipping up a healthy and addictive snack that will satisfy your cravings without derailing your diet. Drain and rinse your can of chickpeas, then toss them with a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of chili powder, and a tablespoon of maple syrup. Spread those chickpeas out on a baking sheet and roast them in the oven until they're crispy and golden brown. Let them cool completely and get ready to enjoy a snack that's both sweet, spicy, and totally irresistible. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing canned bean recipes that are easy, affordable, and seriously delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this epic cooking adventure. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to let me know in the comments down below which recipe you're most excited to try. I'm always down for a good food challenge, so if you have any other crazy recipe ideas, hit me up. Until next time, stay hungry, my friends.